Hi, welcome to Learn Show. We are discussing the data communication and networking. In the previous session, we discussed about the network and its criteria and some physical topologies like bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology, etc. So, in today's session, we are going to talk about the type of the network. So, what is network? The type of the network. Network can be divided into different types based on the variety of the criteria. Most general classification is based on the size of the network or geographical area where the network spans. The two types of such networks are local area network and wide area network. So, the first type of network type is LAN. A local area network is usually privately owned and connect some host in a single office, building or campus. Depending on the needs of an organization, a LAN can be simple as two PCs and a printer in someone's home office, or it can extend throughout a company and include audio and video devices. Each host in a LAN has an identifier, an address that uniquely defines the host in the LAN. A packet sent by the host to another host carries both the source host and the destination host addresses. In the past, all hosts in the network were connected through a common table. Which means that a packet sent from one host to another was received by all hosts. The intended recipient kept the packet, the others dropped the packet. Today, most LANs use a smart connecting switch, which is able to recognize the destination address of the packet and guide the packet to its destination without sending it to all the hosts. And the next type of network is WAN, that means wide area network. A wide area network is an interconnection of devices capable of communication which are geographically widely separated, spanning a town, a state, a country, or even the world. A LAN interconnect the host. A WAN interconnect connected devices such as switches, routers, or modems. A LAN is normally privately owned by an organization that uses it. A WAN is normally created and run by the communication companies and leased by an organization that uses it. We see two distinct examples of WANs today, that is point-to-point WAN and switched WAN. Point-to-point WAN is nothing but it is a network that connects two communicating devices through a transmission media. Like the transmission media is referred here as a cable or an air, okay. And the next one is switched WAN. A switched WAN is a network with more than two ends. A switched WAN is used in the backbone of the global community today. A switched WAN is the combination of several point-to-point WANs that are connected by the switches. At last, the main topic is Internetwork. So, if you hear this that you don't know what it is, and we can explain it by an example. Internetwork, that is when two or more networks are connected, they make an internetwork or internet. As an example, assume that an organization has two offices, one on the east coast and the other on the west coast. Each office has a LAN that allows all the employees in the office to communicate with each other. To make the communication between employees at different offices possible, the management leases a point-to-point dedicated WAN from the service provider, such as a telephone company, and connect the two LANs. Now the company has an Internetwork or a private internet. When the host in the West Coast office sends a message to another host in the same office, the router blocks the message, but the switch directs the message to the destination. On the other hand, when the host on the West Coast sends a message to a host on the East Coast, the router, that means R1, routes the packet to router R2 and the packet reaches the destination. So that's all about today. Today we learn some types of network like LAN, WAN, and the different types of WAN are. I mean, the distinct example of the WAN is point-to-point WAN and the switched WAN. And the next we talked about Internetwork, that two devices network are connected, they make an Internetwork. That is Internetwork. So if you have any questions, you can comment it down, or you can more information you can search on the site that given in the description box. That's all about today. Thank you.